on the board first, and then we'll get to example 4. No, not yet. That'll be tomorrow. That'll be your work tomorrow. I'll be checking this homework on Wednesday, Thursday, I guess. Okay, so do this weekend, guys, listen up, please. So this weekend, can I talk, please? Okay, so this weekend you should be studying for your test. That's what you should be doing, okay? If you have extra time, do this, but please prioritize your test study before your this homework. What's going to happen is on Tuesday we're going to do test review, so I'm going to go through some of the main ideas from the first unit. I'm not doing, Tuesday's not a day to work on your assignment, okay? So the expectation is you've attempted the entire assignment by Tuesday. If you can't get it all done, that's fine. Same Mr. Sadler. I don't want to do question 7B, which leads me to a beautiful tangent. 7B is no solution. Is 7B or 8B? 7B?
Well, Mr. Sadler, there was that one question that you said didn't have a...
Yeah, that's this one here. Right? I think that's the question.
Yeah.
Okay, the question was something like this. Cut out here, please. The question here was, what's it going to be here? I'm not going to get too complicated here for this. I'm just going to say you can't divide by 0. The graph for this one would actually be look something like this. So there's x is equal to 2, and 4 over that. Everything positive right now. Okay, the problem is this fails the continuity because even though the limit exists at both points, the limit doesn't actually exist at 2. And there's nothing to do to that equation to make it exist at 2. It exists at 2 minus, it exists at 2 plus, but it doesn't exactly exist at 2, right? So we'll say it doesn't exist. We'll say that. So that's on your assignment sheet. Sorry, I gave you that wrong. I copied those from the textbook. All right, here we go. Here's example 4 right now. Okay, excuse once again my drawings. I hope you'll be able to get what this is. If anyone here has taken grade 9 art, you're a better drawer than I am. Please remember that, okay?
Pretty good.
Yeah, pretty good.
Okay, so there's going to be 2 parts to this question. We're going to say part A is going to say state one vector equivalent to AD, AC, AH, and AF. B is going to say if magnitude of AD equals 12, magnitude of AB equals 3. You guys stop for a sec, please. And magnitude of AE equals 4. Find the magnitude of AC and the magnitude of AG. Okay, letter B is where it starts to get a little bit more fun. Start with letter A. Do you want to use the class or do you want to try? You want to try? You don't want to try? Yes. Okay, I'm going to pause once you guys try. How much time we got, Michael? Not a lot. Yeah. Okay. If you take, I don't know how much this you did in grade advanced functions. We did do a lot of this stuff in my 3U, so you've seen it any minute. AD is going to be this top vector here. Equivalent to that should be PC. Also EH. Also FG. So any of those should be correct. AC, equivalent to AC, should be EG. Equivalent to, what else? AH should be BG. And equivalent to AF should be DG. All right, here we go. Ready? To get this distance here, I'm going to use this triangle right at the front. Sort of like this. That's the triangle I'm going to use. That will, in fact, be a right triangle. Using my equivalent statements, what's the distance of BC going to be? 12. Okay? and I'll call this x. So I'm just going to use Pythagorean theorem. X squared equals 3 squared. I shall do it properly. Magnitude of AC squared equals the magnitude of AB squared plus the magnitude of BC squared. So it's going to be x squared equals 3 squared plus 12 squared equals 9 plus 144. X equals the square root of 153. Please remember we're in calculus here. We're going to assume that you don't have calculators next year, so don't tell me the answer is equal to 12.4 or whatever that happens to be, okay? Leave those at 153, please. Okay, we should all be feeling relatively good about that. Okay, this next question, and the bell's going to ring as soon as I'm ready to peek this question out here. The magic here is AG. Can someone be brave and tell me if it's possible to solve AG? What should I do? Go ahead.
Make a triangle with ACG.
Good. ACG?
Yeah. You just want ACG, and then...
I'm going to say, is that going to work at the right angle though?
Yeah.
Where?
Yeah, C is it. If you look at it like a 3
That won't work.
That's not a right angle. That's right. I'm going to use one of these as an example.
It's a right angle.
Angle ACG is a right
That's a right angle. The angle C is a right angle.
ACG?
Like, are you on my side or on the class's side? I'm going to say ACG is
It's a right angle.
It is right.
It's on the same plane as the whole front box.
I don't like this 22 against 1.
Oh, yes, it is.
Okay, let's do it your way, and then we'll do it the other way. See if it's...
Yeah, it is.
So what they're trying to tell me, here,
The right angle is, yeah.
you guys are trying to tell me this triangle right here.
Yeah.
Right angle, yeah.
Yep.
Oh, I hate planes. All right, I'll trust you guys here today if you guys get the same answer that I get here. So we'll go with your guys' way for this. We'll call that y. Oops, what happened here? So we're going to say this. Y squared equals 4 squared plus x. So y squared equals 4 squared plus the root of 153 squared. So that's 16 plus 153, which is 169. Yeah, I guess that works. Alright, you guys are right. Okay, the way I was going to do it, if you're saying you can't visualize the way the rest of the class can better than me, and I can take it. Okay, I can't, but I'm going to have to. If you're saying you don't know where that came from, the way I was going to do it was I was just going to find this distance along the top, and then go right down here. I guess that's the same rule though, right? That's the same idea, isn't it? If I can't sleep at night, tonight, it's because I'll be staring off into space and how is that? Just so you know, that funny look on the face you'll get a lot when you back to you guys experiencing it, not me. All right, see everybody. Have a good weekend. If you need help, send me an email. I'll be on an email this weekend. Sure, it's the right angle. I guess it is. I can't see it.
That box, I can
Yes.
Because if we look at it like this, with this ruler and the board, like that, between here.
So they were saying here's the right angle. They can see this is right angle.
They were saying,
I need to see it. Okay.
and then,
Goodbye.